Rome is a city of fountains, but one stands above them all, the Trevi Fountain. It is a masterpiece of Baroque art, tucked away in a tiny square. Standing 26 meters high, it feels less like a fountain and more like a grand theatrical stage carved from stone. It was designed by Nicola Salvi in the 18th century and took 30 years to complete. In the center, you see Oceanus, the god of the sea, riding a shell-shaped chariot. He is pulled by two seahorses. One is calm and the other is restless. This represents the changing moods of the ocean. The water comes from an ancient Roman aqueduct called Aqua Virgo, which has been supplying Rome for over 2,000 years. No visit to Trevi is complete without throwing a coin, but there is a specific way to do it. You must throw the coin with your right hand over your left shoulder, with your back to the water. Legend says 1 coin means you'll return to Rome, 2 mean you'll find love, and 3 mean marriage is in your future. Did you know that nearly 1.5 million euros are thrown into the fountain every year? This money is collected every morning and donated to a charity called Caritas to help those in need. Whether you see it in the golden light of the morning or glowing under the stars at night, the Trevi Fountain remains the beating heart of the eternal city. By the way, we have a full videos of our walking tour through Rome on our channel. Follow the link or click the video on the screen to see more of this beautiful city. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next adventures.